This is the 52-inch, another 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan, which is installed in my cousin's bedroom, or my uncle's bedroom, whatever. It was installed when they moved in, somehow. And I'm going to show you 3 speeds of this ceiling fan. And I'm going to show you the light. Okay, now I can show you the fan. There's the low. Get down. Pull my pants real quick. And force the fan. Yeah, I can't reach this, so I have to stand on this. Okay, there's. Oh, let me get up there real quick. Oh, yeah, I cannot reach those. I cannot reach the change, so I have to stand on it. There's medium. Yeah, the PS5's on. There's on. Yeah, they should add another light fixture, but there's no light fixtures in there. But there's one in the closet, but there's no fan in there, so I can do final demonstration light. Off. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.